If I were President of the United States, I would work to amend the foreign policy of our great nation. On Inauguration Date, 1201, I will get straight to work. To start, I would end the war in Afghanistan and pull troops out of Iraq. Furthermore, I will sue for peace in both areas. Diplomacy is much more effective than deployment of military troops. Next, I will end any and all practices committed by the United States that are in direct violation of the Geneva Convention, ending practices such as CIA black sites, which torture foreign nationals off United States soil. Military drone strikes, which eliminate suspected terrorists who happen to be foreign nationals, or in some cases are United States citizens. And the denial of due process to those detained at Guantanamo Bay. Finally, I would impose harsh political and economic sanctions against foreign nations that violate the human rights of their people, including powerful and influential nations to the United States, such as China, Russia, and Saudi Arabia. Furthermore, I would take a zero-tolerance policy against genocide of any kind, in the United States or abroad. These policies would in turn make peace and stability throughout the world and would make the United States an example for the rest of the world to follow. Thank you.